Yo, how we doing? Thursday, almost there, almost through the week. Quick glance at the news. Right. So we have had unemployment claims and final GDP about an hour ago. Unemployment claims came in lower than expected, and GDP coming alright as well. Actually, just got existing home sales now to contend with at 10 AM. It should be good. It should be good. I was coming in today with a short bias, but I feel like we've potentially done the short move, haven't we? So who knows now? Get the poll sorted out. Let me know what you're thinking for the session. I feel like we've got to pull back up, surely, at least initially. Tony, yo, how you doing, mate? Lewis, hey, yo, how you doing? Hope everyone is good. Took a loss this morning on the funded. Frustrating loss. Didn't play by the rules. Frustrating as well because I was probably eyeing up 2 trades before that earlier in the session. Didn't take it because I was sort of hesitating. Maybe it wasn't my normal usual trade. And I've been busy all morning and decided to take the 3rd touch of a zone rather than the 1st touch. Didn't see the first 2. but because I've obviously had FOMO, yeah, got in long, and yeah, I mean, this would have been the move I was looking for. We got it again once more, just about on the second touch. For some reason, I thought it'd be a good idea to try it for the third time. So yeah, shame. But it's only myself to blame. All this that we're respecting that previous week value area low. Yeah, big sell-off this morning. I really like the idea of a short from the value area high, but we didn't quite get up there. Right, what have we got? We've got 1 minute. Currently looking at a 3 up, 3 down on the 1 day, are we? Oh yeah. Be interesting to see how we close today then. I've got a short position set up. Going long instead. While we're in. I believe we've just taken lower day on the Nasdaq. Yeah, so that is the Nasdaq trade. Definitely no go. Not that we was ever going to get up there, but nice to get a win in today. Been a little bit of a rough week on this, isn't it? Leo, hello, hello. I think the 1 hour and the 1 day tell you a lot. Oh yeah, I think it's been an absolute bloodbath today. Anyone see that news on let me get it up. US deployed jets against Russian bombers. Deployed 4 F-16 fighter jets as surveillance aircraft and 4 tankers to intercept Russian bombers and fighter jets that flew into Alaska's air defense identification zone. It's all getting a bit wild, isn't it, boys? Well, we're at an area now where we could reject or push through, so Come on, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I feel like today's giving me Friday vibes. Normally make the move of the day early on Fridays, don't we, a lot of the time. NQ's melting away. Yes, looks like it's going to follow. Blue balls my stop loss here. And we're out. Don't even know what kind of loss that is. What, 4th, 5th loss on the trot on this challenge? Not having a good time, not having a good time. NQ looking heavy, yeah man, NQ is melting. Right, what's been happening? Buckle Will, how you doing, man? How you doing? What's been happening? Not a lot, mate. Not a lot. Just grinding away. Started a new challenge account and I've had nothing but losses. I think I might have had 1 win. No, I'm sure I had a day where I had 2 wins. Maybe 1 win. I don't remember. Was looking for just a bit more on this long, but yeah, couldn't quite get there. Should have probably known how heavy we've been this morning. Right, what do I like the look of on the funded? Am I wanting to take another trade on the funded? To be honest, we're like a million miles away from any level that I was targeting this morning. This goes 30 points down. Nice, mate. That's short in this market. 4-day profit out, 51. Happy days. Nice, man. Nice. Nice. Another reason I was frustrated that I tried to long on the funders earlier was because I had a short bias today. So yeah, not really any reason. I was wanting to get into shorts, not longs, but the fact that we were respecting it teased me into it, so fell for it, didn't I? Fell for it. I need to get my levels actually set up properly. Previous value are low, 6, 7, 8. All that marked up. This new strategy's on the open, yeah, man. Full risk. I mean, Nasdaq necessarily isn't. But yeah, the ES strategy is normally first between the first couple of minutes. Open a minute in the first couple of minutes. Basically just looking to play the open and range, basically. In and out nice and quick. Taking small, but on a day where we just go one direction, this doesn't work. This is a 70 75 zone as a holding zone, do you reckon? We expect a big wick recovery here. 70 75. Oh, we're there now. We are there now. Let's see. Bit of a mad day really today. Was in a short NQ 850 to 650, so typical it's heading that. Mate, can't complain about that. 850 to 650 is that's good, man. That is good. Morning, Taka. How you doing? You caught 200 points. Yeah, so it looks like Backer Will did. 200 points is a banging day. And he's moaning that he wants more. Walk away from that other indicator strategy. Yes, mate. I was talking about it, I think, yesterday. It wasn't for me. I gave it a good go. I wanted it to work, but yeah, for me it wasn't a vibe. I gave it a challenge account and I lost that challenge account, so resistance of 410R, mate. It's hard to call today. I couldn't call the bottom of this. Good fun to try to, but I wouldn't like to put money on it. That's the time where I regret where I'm scalping. For sure, 544, then again at 5222. That's the thing, you get in and out, but then you then struggle to get back in on moves like this, don't you? It's very rare you get days like this, though. Very good day, 200, yeah, man. I'd love to have caught 200 today. That would have saved my week. I remember we broke the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. No resistance yet. Real target for me was 70s with one DMA, yeah. I mean, we could still work back above that, couldn't we? On the daily level. It's days like today where an 8 EMA would be working out, wouldn't it? Pretty settlement after the news and build for the next leg up over the next 2 to 3 weeks yet. Potentially. There's some existing home sales news. I don't think that was for another 15 minutes. Tell you what, financial juice, we've got some advanced news here. 15 minutes early that's been posted on financial juice. Apparently the 4 million. I'll have to see if that's correct. We'll see if we can get a cheeky short in from 656 on ES if we get up there. Just look for a 1-to-1 just to try and get to break even on the day. Temporary buying volume. Crazy how many people aren't using hard time frame for major zones. Obviously helps so much. Do you reckon? I think it's the only thing is like with the higher time frame stuff that I find, you have to like give it more room. Like if I'm trading the sort of previous week value areas, I have to be expecting that it's not gonna hit it to the T. Do you know what I mean? It could move away just short of it, or could blast straight through it for a good sort of 5 points, then reverse. It could drop around for a bit, like just because it's a higher time frame, it just takes longer to play out. I'm just gonna have to be using hard time frame, yeah. Yeah, I think it's good for like levels and stuff, innit? Long time bias is long, yeah. I think we probably will be long most of the rest of this year. Maybe look at something and go, yes, I'm long, short, but I'll mark the zone to see how price approaches, and then apply my strat on the 5 minute no and the target zone jet. September is notoriously red, 100%, man. 100%. Best way to do it, I think, is, yeah, have all your levels marked out prior. And then you can then play with them how you wish, can't you? During the moment. Nasdaq's got a bit of life back to it. The resistance 410, and it's found some at 422 so far. The day is still young. There also mean one day you may mark up 1 hour zones, currently 15 lows and 5 minute pivots. Nice. Nice scout right there. What you get in and out of you, Leo? Nice, man. The news and what can impact zones yet. But it sounds very disciplined, Lewis, mate. It's good. Sounds like you know exactly what you're doing and when you're doing it. We have the first fib level on at 350, yeah? Trainers of price can go, yeah, okay, yeah. Pretty nice as possible in my opinion. Nathan, yo, how you doing, man? One day away from a payout, nice. Gotta control myself. Yeah, play it safely, mate. Play it safe. We can say fast time. No, not really. Funders hasn't been horrendous, but yeah, the new challenge account that I started on Monday, I am down 2.5k this week. I think I've only had 1 or 2 wins potentially, and the rest have been losses. Yeah, not been amazing. The funded, I am down 1 hour on the week, I think. Yes, 1 hour on the week. A lot of trading this week, though. I've been trying to involve more current day stuff. The trouble is, I'm not taking everyone that I see, and the ones that I'm not taking are winners. And then I'll take a trade of, say, of a normal level or something like today. Today, I think I didn't really play by the rules. Was trying to long from a level that we'd already tapped twice. So it'd been the third tap on my entry, which I never do. I normally do first tap, and that's it really. And yeah, I'm just wondering if I didn't follow my rules because I sort of sat and watched 2 winning trades earlier in the day. So just the emotional side of it, innit? Trying to do better. And as well, I tried a long when I had a short bias today, but couldn't get into a short, so. What about yours, Nathan? Your week been alright? Better than mine, hopefully. Right, apparently we've got news in 2 minutes, but the financial juice released it about 15 minutes ago, so. Oh, what's these brackets about? I've never seen that before. Data leaked 13 minutes earlier. Never seen that before. Been reported in brackets to denote that it's press leak and has not been confirmed by the official source. This number may change upon release by the official source, but that'd be wild if it's drastically different. Decent, good man, good. Give me a chance to get in. A few ticks, there's nothing more annoying, is there? Nothing more annoying. I'm just going to close out this order just in case it is quite drastically different and market reacts funny to it. Not worth risking any giant green candles on the fundeds. Discipline and patience. That's it, Taco, mate. That's it. Fight the urge, fight the urge. Like I said, for me today, I feel like my emotions talked me into a trade I shouldn't have taken, and I took a loss because of it. All because I missed sort of 1 or 2 trades I was watching, but didn't take. Fear of missing out on it. I'm surprised there hasn't been more said about this US deploying jets to over Alaska, because Russian were flying bombers in their airspace. I saw one little news post about it, and that was it. I'm assuming this is correct anyway, because they haven't changed it. So. Mentality, reliable systems or strats are quite straightforward to construct, executing them consistently. Yeah, that's the thing in it, Buckle Will, is that the emotional side of it I think is the hardest bit. 100%, 100%. Come in every day and be consistent. But this, I'm finishing Homeland. Have you ever watched it? No, mate, no. Any good? I'm assuming so if you're finishing it. Weren't even watching the charts actually, luckily. Go and trash yourself, Taco. You think that Hollywood is CIA prop and full conspiracy is real? Every season they predicted something that happened like 4 or 5 years ahead. Even the bombing of the Iran nuclear facility, yeah. Mental, man. And it's a fictional series, isn't it? Is that right? I'm sure I've seen it advertised before. Been on series 1 of 3 amazing. Oh, okay. Russian spies messing with US elections, yeah. Yeah, I'll have to, I'll maybe give it a go. It's not the sort of thing that the missus will like though, so I'll have to try and get her on board, but check. We are pushing up strong to my entry here. Oh, come on, man. Are we going to get filled or not? Good day for me, about to get ready to eat with my sister for her birthday. Oh, nice, man. Happy birthday to your sister. I push my entry up very slightly. Big wad of orders are just put in here. If that gets absorbed, it's going to shoot up quite a bit. So. Right, we're in, boys, we're in. I just want to see a little quick reaction off of that. In and out, hopefully. Better stepping up a little bit. Come on, we need a bit more. I was looking, I'd have been sit that 30-point work, got brought up right back up, would have been crying. Come on, what we saying, what we saying? Oh, Jesus fucking wept. See if we can get out of break even. I think I'm gonna be stopped out. Someone is loading up there, man. Look at that. That come out of nowhere. I'm out. Wow. Look at that. I've never seen one that big before. Jesus. Might have been better off literally just closing that rather than trying to get out break even. Might have saved myself $25 or something. Maybe after the trade potentially, but I think I just fear my middle out. I'm bottom of the 1 minute high pressure on the uptrend. Yeah, we've just fucking blown straight through, haven't we? Had Bowman talking about 3 rate cuts by the end of the year. What? No, he's not. They'll have to have a double rate cut then at some point, won't there? There's only 2 more. Is there only 2 more? October, November. No, there is. I'm not sure this motherfucker with a lady talking to this, mate. I didn't even fucking realise, man. There's nothing red on financial juice. Why have they not told me? Financial juice let me down there, boys. This bishop, I'm starting to be less annoyed that I exited at 650. Too strong, this lady spitting bars like Drake on rate policy. Oh man, that was something else. That was 3 fucking thousand on the Delta as well. Right, let's journal it out. Down 2R this week, then, haven't we? Down 154 on that, lost them. Overall 3. Down 2 hour on the week. This is the 5-minute close over 83. I think you'll see it, mate. I think you'll see it. So you said that right at the time, moment you entered your trade. Oh, okay. A little bit earlier, I think. Fucking ridiculous, man. But there's nothing on. Normally, something like that would be red. On financial juice, would be highlighted in red, do you know what I mean? But it doesn't even say it anywhere, I don't think. But it has told me that she thinks tariffs will have a one-time impact, one-time price impact. Because she's one member of the Fed, but yeah, I mean, yeah, but that's quite a ballsy thing to say, isn't it? I mean, we might have, it all might have played out exactly the same anyway. Yeah, I mean, I was watching a Bookmap, and there was maybe 300 contracts sitting around here somewhere. So that 3,000 literally come out of nowhere. Definitely wasn't on the book. Obviously it's aggressive buyers, isn't it? So wouldn't be, I suppose, but yeah, I wasn't expecting to see that. I don't think I've ever seen a delta of 3,000 before. Possibly over 1,000 a few times, but not 3,000. That's insane. I should have just jumped straight in and hit the reverse button, shouldn't I? See, if I was thinking a bit more on my feet, that's what I should have done. Probably is, if I marketed, ordered in, I would have been filled what up here, probably. So, Han, how you doing, man? How's today? 1 loss on the challenge account and 2 losses on the funded. Not great. First trade in the funders, I wasn't playing by the rules and took an unnecessary loss. Second trade, not long after I entered, we had a very large aggressive buyer as I was trying to short. Pressure strong as fuck, yeah, man. I never play these, but I wonder if this would be a 660 would be a good level to long from. Should we practice trade it? That's limit by 10. Yeah, there is only 2 more rate cut decisions, 29th of October and 10th of December. So if they're going to squeeze in another 3, they're going to have to do one of them by 50. But I mean, at the minute, 60 in December, 63% chance being 2 from where we are now. So basically 63% chance for 2 basis point cut by December. Set up a little sell at the previous week point of control. It's also the current day value area high on the practice account. Not taking anything more on the funders now. 2 losses is definitely my limit. Down 30 points today, man. Might as well call it. Yeah, it's not a bad day, mate. It's not bad. I mean, 30 points isn't amazing, I suppose, but it's been a hard one today, I think. For me, personally, anyway. Yeah, call it, mate, because at this point, emotions can start creeping in. It's not worth it. Or at least jump to practice like I am. Passing over 1,000 your funders account become a challenge, yeah, man. Yeah. I've got there a few times. And I keep getting knocked back. In a 15-minute close over the 606. 9 minutes. It's been a lot of pushing up, isn't it? I quite like the idea of it having a little bit of a retracement. Well, I've got a order place at 670, I believe, and 671. Let's see how we play up there. Through this one that we had. Savage. Oh, I thought you meant another 3 on top of what we've already had. Sorry, mate. I mean, yeah, another 2 I think is definitely possible. I think we'll probably only get 1, but there should be me filled on that. Hopefully, sell a step up. Actually, I think I'm going to need to get my stop loss in place. 5-point stop. Said that she predicted in 2024 that we would have 3 rate cuts by the end of 2025, and she thinks we were still on that pace. Oh, okay. That's a combine I had it for 20 days without a loss. What? 20 days, 18 trades, 100k account. Nice, man. That's good, that is. 20-day win streak. If I would have wanted that guy, but all good. Would have been up like 30 points, but all good, man. Yeah, enjoy your dinner with your sister, man. Enjoy. I hope it's all right. And yeah, happy birthday to her. So I moved away from day trading simply because the mental toll it was taken. Yeah, no, I get that, man. I get that. It can be hard. I do enjoy it, but yeah, it can be hard. Yeah, I'm seeing if I can take this short back down to that huge 3000 delta. To be honest, there's not really anything major going on. Picking up the pace a little bit. Yeah, it's me at 1-to-1 now. So I'd normally be out. I'm definitely interested in trying to push the 1-to-1s a little bit more when it's when I think it's possible. Currently looking at 2 to 3 trades per fortnight instead of 2 to 3 per day. Not exciting, but always is the process when trade goes wrong, yeah. Oh yeah, it must be a lot more helpful mentally. Do you, I assume you don't trade props, do you, Buckle Will? Is it like a personal account, is it? I'll show you in the poll. It's a bit better. No problem, just my account, yeah. Yeah, I imagine it's a bit easier. The trouble is with like, there isn't really, that I know of anyway, any prop firms that you can really hold overnight with. Unless you're doing like CFDs or something. Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing a bit more of a swing trade sort of trading style at some point in life. Even if it's like as well as, do you know what I mean? I like to mess around in my pension pot, but obviously I can only long, I can't short in there, so. And to be honest, the fees and the prices and stuff, fucking dog shit. Oh. Oh. Should have just 1-to-1 this one, I think. No price is the strength to engage on another leg from me, maybe another pullback. Do you reckon? So we could be getting it. I think I'd have just liked to have seen it a bit more aggressive. How fast we come up. I'd like to have seen it a bit quicker on the downside, but we could get it still. Yeah, it's definitely volume's definitely dropped off. I want to make an inside bars. That's which side it breaks. It's like downside. Yeah, we could get it, man. We could get it. Trading my practice trade down. Go out. Would have been better off taking the 1-to-1. The only thing I struggle with looking for more out of it, I end up taking less than a 1-to-1 normally. So I'm trying to give it a bit of room, and then I'm like, right, no, I can't let it come back against me, so I trail my stop, but then end up taking like a 0.8 or something. That's why I think I'm always better off just taking the 1-to-1s. Okay, the 1-to-1 would have put me there. That'd have been 1.1. Oh, I'm tired. I'll be watching via the Xbox. Take it easy. Chill out, man. Take it easy. Enjoy, enjoy. I want to call it in a minute anyway, I think. There's nothing else for me on the fundeds. I've already had 2 losses today. Gonna call it before I start making silly decisions. I like the idea of a quick long from here, but we'll I'll leave it for the practice account. No trade today, yeah, man. I had 2 losses on the funded, and I had a loss on the challenge account today. Tried a long on the open. Got a bit of reaction, but not enough that I was looking for. Right, boys and girls, I will be back tomorrow with a very special guest. We've got Leo on tomorrow, so yeah, stop by and yeah, check out his trading, see what he's doing. Obviously, I'll be trading as well, of course. But it should be a good little live stream. I'm excited. Good, it'll be good. Yeah, normal time. Leo will be pretty much on from the open, so make sure you're on time, lads. Make sure you're on time. But yeah, cheers for stopping by today, guys, and it'll be a pleasure. Yes, mate, it'll be good. It'll be good. Looking forward to it. But yeah, cheers for stopping by, guys, and yeah, back tomorrow. Have a good one. Take it easy if you're still trading, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. See you later, lads.